Hello everyone, this is another quick unboxing. This is called the Homeboy. Now I thought this was a very cool technology is cool because it's a webcam, well not a webcam, a security camera that is powered by an internal battery, and you put it in a spot and it stays there for a while. So let's unbox it because it is kind of interesting. Now it's got this very tight box that pops out. Yep, get there. Nearly there. Alright, so you've got that. Then you open this box like this. So this is a cool unboxing experience. Pop it open. Very tight fits. And then, with that revealed, you have the actual camera. So let's take a look at how that works. That's cool. So you look around here. This white circle thing is the actual camera, and that is the security lens. So that pops open or closed. And the quick start guide is here. You can see it's actually takes a bit. You're like, oh, why doesn't it work? It's because it's magnetized. It's a decent strength magnet too. So it tells you to download the software, create an account, charge the camera. It'll tell you when it's done, and that is pretty much it. So in terms of stuff inside here, before I finish up, you get a USB cable. Cool. And what looks like it's the magnetic dot. So this bit sticks to camera. Where's the bit it sticks to? Oh yeah, cool. Looks fun. And that's it. Alright, hope you enjoyed it. That's the Homeboy.